Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this yummy and healthy bulgur salad, which includes all types of different veggies. This is an easy to follow and easy recipe, which doesn't require many ingredients. Enjoy this delicious and filling salad as a nutritious lunch or dinner. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off by cooking the bulgur and letting it cool down completely. If you want a detailed recipe on how to cook bulgur or couscous, then check out the video linked below where I show you how to prepare it. Now wash all your veggies you want to include into the salad. Essentially, you can use any ingredients you would like in your bulgur salad, from sardines to corn to pickles and so on. Cut up the pickles, bell peppers, and cucumbers. Afterwards, slice up the olives and tomatoes into small pieces, as well as the lettuce. Now it's time to mix everything together as shown. Add in some spicy sardines, as well as corn and avocado if you'd like, and mix everything thoroughly with the bulgur. Then lay down some lettuce leaves on a big round plate as shown, and add the bulgur salad. Top it off with some slices of tomato, cucumber, eggs and parsley as decoration and serve it like that or with some salad dressing of your choice. Enjoy! And this is how everything should look like when it's all done. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.